Welcome to TCL's Mega Factory. Today, I'll show you how we make premium TVs affordable. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory. The new Google TV platform integration is almost complete.
Let's test the voice control for app navigation.
Okay, Google, open Netflix.
Perfect. Streaming apps are certified. Great job.
Step 1 transcription. Structural components manufactured in-house.
Setting up the 55-inch line first.
Okay, let's get these robots programmed.
Our vertical integration gives us a distinct advantage in scale and efficiency.
Panel from CSOT Fab, components from TCL plants, assembly in TCL facility, complete vertical integration, all TCL controlled.
TCL AI analyzes production quality across the entire vertical integration, optimizing panel production and assembly.
Spectrophotometer measuring TCL quantum dot color accuracy, wide color gamut verification, DCI-P3 coverage testing, Dolby Vision color validation, premium color quality at value pricing.
TCL TVs. Premium sound at value prices.
TCL's integrated system allows for complete manufacturing optimization and vertical control visualization across all our facilities.
Descriptions. The digital twin allows us to simulate changes and optimize panel production in real time.
We can manage the IT business style. Also, things of the team understand technique. This
Premium picture quality at value prices is our promise. Fix uniformity without increasing costs. TCL optimized light guide design, improving uniformity 40% while maintaining competitive pricing.
building an insect light geometer. Renius does ensure that the ready just get set in
Okay, the Google TV update is completely frozen on this unit. Let's run a full diagnostic.
Agreed. We need to check the software-hardware integration for compatibility issues.
Pasti update na chiplet. Liting jangan update tanggal kaida. Jelek kan agree. It will indeed a ton.
Individual calibration ensures every TCL TV delivers promised HDR performance without premium pricing. By optimizing the voice microphone's sleep mode, we've extended battery life threefold.
That's fantastic. It makes such a difference.
See our China-scale production flexibility, offering value pricing at every size.
Every TCL TV entering automated test stations, panel uniformity verification, HDR brightness testing.
Welcome to TCL. Today we focus on mini LED assembly. Precision is key.
What is the tolerance for this component?
Excellent question.
Experience TCL's global partnerships with major retailers like Best Buy, Walmart, and Amazon.
Mereka ketiap aksari ye pada Air Force meaning. Just scan se kick ani. Nick Savars kadiye ka.
Today's target is 500 units, maintaining our value premium quality. Let's focus on efficiency.
18 years with TCL. We make premium features affordable through efficient manufacturing excellence.
We've got a component shortage threatening production. Our logistics team is mobilizing rapidly, activating alternative sourcing.
Oh, stress.
Great work. You just built a premium TV people can actually afford. That's the TCL mission. TCL quality means premium features at prices everyone can afford. We verify both rigorously.
With this enhancement, we can optimize production costs while maintaining our value pricing through continuous improvement.
This represents TCL perfection. Premium features everyone can afford through efficient manufacturing. The latest reports show a slight deviation.
Let's analyze the production line data.
We need to ensure this doesn't impact the schedule.
Yesterday's output was strong. Let's hit today's targets.
Agreed. Focusing on cost efficiency will maintain our value pricing.
Production is at 98% capacity. Efficiency is up 5%.
Excellent. All value targets are green. I'm ready to take over.
Now you know TCL's value premium secrets. What impressed you? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.
Next, Samsung's TV factory secrets. Then, LG OLED manufacturing precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.